Check this out, you gotta love these cabinet installation jacks from Daytona. And with these jacks, you effortlessly lift and level off a cabinet ready to screw it off, making installs a breeze, particularly if you're working by yourself, where there's so much more than just cabinet lifters. The top section just lifts straight off, making it into an arm jack, so you can use it for lifting tiles, doors, panels, joineries, gates. There's an application for these in just about every trade. And on top of that, they come with a couple of attachments which clip straight on, turning them into a couple of quick release clamps if you've got to do a glue up on site. They also come with some rubber feet to slip onto the base of those if you're working on a finished surface or a bench top. And if you're using them like an arm jack, there's also some rubber fingers included, so if you're holding tiles or a finished panel, it won't damage them either. As a pair, you can lift up to 150 kilograms with an operational height of 595 millimeters. They've got a really sturdy build with a nice smooth incremental adjustment on that grip as you squeeze it. You can slide it up for micro adjustments. You've also got that quick release once you're fastened off to get the clamps out of there. With those 2 pins there, you got some additional customization on the height. It also helps you to get them nice and compact for storage and transport when you're in between jobs. Super useful, no matter your trade, don't go on site without them. They're available at your local Sydney Tools store right now. You can head over to our website for the full specs and to order online. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.